from Europe. I'm not from the Netherlands, despite the color of my polo shirt. I'm from Southern Europe. My role at Flexo Concepts and the purpose of being here today is to talk about the selection of the doctor blades and also to share some quick tips about blade installation. So in the market you can find two different types of blades. On one hand you can find in the market steel blades. Steel blades, they tend to work really well with analog line screens over 300 lines per centimeter or less. Steel blades, despite they can work really well on high graphics, they tend to damage analog scrolls, and also from time to time there are customers or printers that can get cut. On the other hand, plastic blades, polymer blades nowadays, they cover the full range of printing in the corrugated. Polymer blades, they are safe, impossible to get cut, and also impossible to damage an analog scroll because of the plastic blade. And they tend to last longer than standard steel. Traditionally, in the corrugated market, there has been a gap. In a gap going from analog series between 120 lines per centimeter to around 300, where steel nor traditional plastic were able to fit the needs of that specific market. Nowadays, this gap is being filled by green. Green is a polymer blade that it doesn't deflect, it stays steady, so we can have a better quality than traditional plastic. So during the blade selections, my message here is that, remember, larger the contact area with analogs, more ink that will transfer. Lesser the contact area with the analogs, less ink that will transfer. If we need blades to print in a really low line skin analogs, go for some material like 2mm blade and a big angle degree. If we go for thinner blades and also lower degrees in bevels, then we'll have less ink going through. For containment, my suggestion is to go with straight edges. If you go to go fancy for lamellas, micro tips, bevels, that's good for the manufacturers and resellers, more money. But technically speaking, for containment, keep it easy, straight blades. In terms of blade life, usually green is lasting about 80% more than orange, green is lasting about 80% more than UHMW. UHMW is the predominant doctor blade in the market, that is a white colored material. At the same time, the UHMW is lasting longer than basic steel. About blade installation. So we can have chambered systems and also single blade systems. If we have a chambered system, it's really important to spot which is the metering blade and containment blade. The containment blade or retention blade will be the first blade to touch the analogs, and the second blade to touch the analogs, in this case the green colored blade, will be the one that will meter. If you do the opposite, then you will have quite a lot of problems. During the installation, try to install the blades with the bevel facing the inside of the chamber. If you do the opposite, then you will have a larger contact area with analog scroll. You will be forced to apply more pressure to the blade, and then the consumption of ink will go down, and also the consumption of ink, will go up, and also the blade consumption will go up. So if you want to make the doctor blade manufacturers rich, go hard with the pressure, okay? Then what it really touches the analog roll is the back of the blade, as you can see here on the image on the right. Pressure. Pressure is the main enemy of the blades. My suggestion is to keep the pressure as closest to 0 bars or the lowest pressure as possible to have a longer blade life and a better metering. Other tips about installation. If we are using chambered systems, we will use end seals. My suggestion is to change the end seals each time that you change the doctor blades. And also keep your analogs very clean, not only on the surface, but also on the bottom of the cells. And that's it from me. If you have any question, come to stand number 85. Thank you so much.